Welcome to Behind the Trigger, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble your Glock slide so you can clean it. Relatively easy to do. Of course, you clear the gun, make sure it's clear, take it down like you normally would. We're going to remove the guide rod spring and the barrel. In order to disassemble the slide, you're going to push in the striker safety, make sure the striker's forward. Then you're going to grab, there's a little plastic striker guide right here. You're going to grab that and push it forward. Then you're going to slide. You're going to slide up and off the back. You're going to make sure your finger stays behind it, because if you don't, this little plunger right here could go flying out, and that little plunger actually holds in your extractor. So now that we got that out, we are going to remove the striker assembly. Then we're going to remove this little spring right here and detent. And that's how dirty this is. It's actually stuck in there pretty good. So we're just going to push on the extractor rod that holds it in place. But you want to make sure when you take off the back plate, you put your finger right here, because if not, that can go popping out. So this is that's actually the safety. See how dirty it is? Then your extractor should come right out, just like that. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty. So we got everything cleaned up halfway decent, so we're going to put this back together. So your little bar and spring and detent that hold your extractor in actually goes in right in this hole right here, and your extractor goes in this little hole right here. This hole is actually where your striker safety goes into. So when you put it back in, that little peg goes in this back hole right here. So we're going to go ahead and put that back in, just like that. We're going to hold it with our finger, take our safety and spring, put it in here. We're going to hold it up like this. I'm going to flip the side over, and I'm going to stick it in there, making sure that spring stays in. Because if that spring comes out, then it's not going to work right. They're in place. We're going to take the bar that holds the extractor in place. We're going to stick that back in. We're going to take our striker assembly. We're going to slip it back in. And when you're disassembling it, you actually want to get your punch or whatever right in between here, right in between the back of the striker and this plastic housing. So we're going to slip this in, pushing our striker, push it in. We're going to take our back plate, because we gotta take our back plate. We're going to get it started. And this is where, like, we got it started holding our striker assembly. We're going to take our punch. We're going to push in that detent until it holds it, and it clicks it in place. It's pretty easy to do. That's one thing I like about the Glock. Drop our barrel back in, put our guide rod back in. We're going to reassemble with no magazine. Lock it back. Locks back like it's supposed to. It releases. We're going to do a function test now that we know it's empty. No problem there. We're going to rock it back. We're going to release the trigger, make sure it clicks, so everything's operational. It's that easy to disassemble a Glock slide. Until next time.